here factors affecting ionization enthalpy. What is the main factors are there? Then number 1, size. That means atomic size. Atomic size. We know that size inversely proportional to ionization enthalpy. Meaning if the size is higher, ionization enthalpy will be lower. If the size is maximum, ionization enthalpy will be minimum. Okay, that is difference there. Then second one, therefore along the period and down the group, keep in your mind. Then second one, nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge directly proportional to ionization enthalpy. Anyway, the charge of nucleus, otherwise the effective nuclear charge will be increases. On that time ionization enthalpy will be increases. Therefore, why we told as we move along a period, ionization enthalpy will be increases. Don't forget that. Okay. Then next, third one, penetration effect. Penetration effect. Penetration effect meaning penetrate. We know that which orbital is more close to the nucleus? No doubt that is S. Every atom have number of shell have number of subshells. That is subshells are S, P, D and F. We know that maximum penetration effect. Penetration means which one is more close to the nucleus. Which one? Sure, when I taken 5 orbital, 5th level, principal quantum number n equal to 5. Just you can assume. On that time we were getting 1, first, second, third, fourth, 5th I am drawing here. 5th. But that 5th does not created by the use of one line. Okay, by X-ray method, X-ray crystallographic method, scientists explained that like that orbitals are joined by number of sub-orbitals, sub-levels, sub-shells. That means this one first 5s. Then second one SPD are there. 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. Gone like that. Like this number of lines are joined. But by looking, we are able to see only one line there. Now here, which one will be first? Sure, 5s will be first. Then 5p, then 5d, then 5f. Don't forget that. Therefore, which one will be more penetrate with the nucleus? Sure, that is S. Therefore, if penetration effect maximum shown by S, then P, then D, then F. Okay, clear? Maybe I have a number of electrons. That electron may be in 5s, otherwise may be in 4s. Electron may be in 4s, other case may be in 4p. Therefore, here may be, first case may be 4s2. Second case may be 4s2, 4p1. 2 atoms. This atom we were noticing A, this atom we were noticing E. Just you can assume like. Here, which one have highest ionization enthalpy? No doubt 4s2 have higher. Due to S has maximum penetration effect than that of P. Penetration effect will be maximum. Meaning, if the penetration effect is higher, ionization enthalpy also higher. S has maximum, then P, then D, then last F. F electrons and nucleus are very loosely packed. Therefore, the removal from F orbital will be very easy. Okay, don't forget that. Then next one, screening effect. Screening effect. Listen very carefully. The repulsive force, important, the repulsive force felt by valence electron from the innermost electron. Valence electron from the innermost electron. Otherwise, valence electron present from the innermost electron. What is the meaning of that? Means outermost shell, nucleus, number of shells are here, Here I am drawing one more shell. Just you can consider this as an outermost electron with the outermost shell. Now here, these two have attraction. Nucleus and outermost shell electron have attraction. Due to one is positive, other is negative. But there, some other members are located here. Here the number of electrons are located. Sure, they will repel together due to this electron also has the same charge. Negative will be repelled together. How much repulsive effect will be occurred there? That repulsive effect arised for outermost electron is called as screening effect. If the screening effect is more, very important, if the screening effect is more, on that time ionization enthalpy will be lower. If the screening effect is higher, screening effect means repulsion will be higher. Therefore, already the repulsion maximum here. Therefore, the removal will be very easy. Clear all of you? Now the ionization enthalpy will be decreased. Screening effect means it is a repulsive force felt by the valence electron from the innermost electron. Clear? Okay. Now, screening effect is inversely proportional to ionization enthalpy. Listen here. Next, what is the meaning of effective nuclear charge? Otherwise, Z effective. What do you mean by that? It is the actual charge felt by the valence electron. We want to reduce how much repulsive forces are there. Everything we want to reduce. Finally, the outermost electron, how much charge will be felt there? Actual charge felt by valence electron. That's all. Actual charge felt by valence electron is called as effective nuclear charge. We have one calculation also there, that is equal to effective nuclear charge equal to Z minus sigma. Sigma equal to screening constant. I'll explain it. Before that, sigma means atomic number. Otherwise, the number of proton. Sorry, atomic mass. Number of proton. Okay, not atomic mass. Sigma is the number of proton only. Sorry, Z is the number of proton and sigma is a screening constant. It can be calculated by using. That means, first of all, every atom we know, we may have taken one atom, fluorine, 9. Sure, number of electron, proton are same, 9. Then instead of Z, I am able to apply here 9. But sigma we want to calculate separate. Therefore, why? I am taken here F9. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 are the electronic configuration there. I want to calculate sigma there. To calculate the sigma, by applying n, we want to take there 0.35. If you choose an n minus 1 electron, if you take an nth electron, principal quantum number is called as n. If you taken the last electron, that means there we want to multiply with the number of electron multiplied with 0.35. Second last orbital, that means n minus 1, on that time we want to take 0.85. n minus 2, on that time we want to take 1. How can we choose that one? Just listen here. Sigma here. Sigma calculation type. First of all, you can take nth orbital. N equal to what here? N equal to 2. N means the biggest principal quantum number. That is equal to 2 here. Biggest one equal to 2. There, what is the total number of electron? Here 2 are there. 1 here, 1 here. 2. What is the total number of electron there? 7 are there. 7 electron. But what we were calculating? 1 electron, how much charge will be felt? Therefore, 7 minus 1, 6 only I want to take in there. 6 electron multiplied by, this is the nth level. Nth level, what we want to multiply there? 0.35. Plus, positive charge added there. Plus, we want to add. Then next, n minus 1. N minus 1, what we want to multiply there? 0.85 multiplied by, what is the total number of electron here? N minus 1 equal to 2. Sorry, 1. N minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, their total number of electron equal to 2. Then now, 6 into 0.35. Just count that. Then you will get the answer there. Clear all of you? 0.35, 1.5, 1.5. That means 2.1. This 2.1 plus here 1.7. That is equal to what? 3.8 are there. What value there? Sigma for fluorine equal to 3.8. Therefore, effective nuclear charge equal to what? Z minus, that means 9 minus 3.8. 9 minus 3.8 are there. Look here, 9, Z equal to 9 minus 3.8. Okay, what value there? That is equal to 5.2. This is effective nuclear charge of fluorine. Clear all of you? First write the electronic configuration. Next, we want to take their nth level, last orbital. Total number of electrons we want to add. There we were counting effective nuclear charge. Therefore, one electron how much charge felt there. That we want to count there. Therefore, just you can subtract 1 there. That 1 electron we want to subtract. Total 7 are here, but I chosen here only 6. Into nth level, what we want to multiply? 3.5. 0.35. Like that we want to apply here. Finally, you will get one value. Last, we want to substitute with this equation. Here is Z equal to atomic number, otherwise number of protons. Clear all of you? Writing time, we were taken number of electron, but we want to keep in our mind Z equal to number of proton, not any other number there. Clear? Then here, what is this equation? This sigma calculation carried by Slater's rule. Slater's rule. This rule is called as Slater's rule. Next, one more. If I have any other, maybe beryllium, symbol 1, beryllium, Be. Be, total number of electron 4. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, okay, over 1s2, 2s2 only. Here, nth level, what means first we want to count sigma. Sigma equal to, screening constant equal to, we were applying Slater's rule. Here, nth level have totally 2 electrons. I want to reduce 1. 1 multiplied by, if it is n, but we want to multiply there 0.35 plus what we taken there n minus 1, that is equal to 2 electrons are there in n minus 1. There multiplied by 0.85, that is equal to 0.35 plus here 1.7. Clear all of you? Okay, 1.75 gone like that. Then now the value will be 2.1. Final answer 2.1. What is that? Sigma. Therefore, even you can calculate the effective nuclear charge also. That is equal to Z minus. Z equal to 4 here. Minus 2.1. That is equal to 1.9 is the answer there. Clear all of you? It is the effective nuclear charge calculation. Don't forget this 3 term, keep in your mind, and also this equation, sigma calculation carried by Slater's rule. This all topic we want to keep in our mind. Okay, only one question. Last year asked this question. Okay, some of the ionization enthalpies are given below. Some of ionization enthalpy are given below. Find, by looking that one, find 13th group ionization enthalpy. 13th group ionization enthalpy. Option A, first one, A, here 800 kilojoule, then 1700 kilojoule, then 2100 kilojoule, 3000 kilojoule. Means first, second, third, fourth ionization enthalpy. Option B, 700 kilojoule, 1400 kilojoule. Otherwise, right here 1500 kilojoule. Then next one, 9000 kilojoule. Next one, 11,000 kilojoule. Just to keep in your mind that. Then next one, 500 kilojoule, 800 kilojoule, 1000 kilojoule, 1300 kilojoule, 1300 kilojoule. Okay. Then next, okay, next option D, none of these. None of these. Which one will be suitable answer? Okay, by looking number of values are there. Don't make a confusion. So simple. Look here. Here we know that 13th group, any of the element you can choose. Now I am here taken aluminium. Electronic configuration will be 28, 3. Means outermost shall have 3 electron. Outermost shall have 3 electron. Clear? Outermost shell 3 electron. Just listen, it's a small correction. Here we want to take 3000. This one will be 11,000. Okay, look here. 3 electrons are there. 1 electron removed, second electron removed, third removed. Look here, 3 electrons removed. After the removal of 3, fourth electron I want to take them from octa. Octa means highly stable. Donation will be very difficult. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, just double or multiples of this one only. 3 electron removal will be easy, but fourth electron removal will be very difficult. Therefore, between 3 and 4, ionization enthalpy where the maximum difference, between 3 and 4, where the ionization enthalpy maximum difference, sure, that is our answer. Look here, outermost shall have 3 electron. That 3 electron may one by one may donate. Fourth electron I want to taken from 8th, that means octa. Octa you know already stable. From the stable compound, otherwise from the stable atom, electron donation will be maximum difficult. Therefore, look here, where third and fourth maximum difference, we want to bother only third and fourth. Here 2100, 3000, a small variation there. But here 3000 and 11,000, sure, maximum difference will be arised here. Look this one, 1000 and 1300, a small variation there. Therefore, look here, maybe outermost shell, maybe I want to count this one, second group. On that time also what we want to know? Ionization enthalpy different maximum shown between second and third. Second group means outermost shall have only 2 electrons. After the removal of that 2, magnesium you can take 2, 8, 2. This 2 removal not much easy, but comparatively that is easy. Third electron I want to take from 8, that is difficult. Therefore, second and third ionization enthalpy has maximum energy difference. That one you want to take as a second group electronic configuration. Otherwise, second group element. Clear all of you? This is the best way. But next, not a question. Just listen, keep in your mind. Oxidation state and ionization enthalpy. What is the relation between that? Here, listen here. If the two ionization enthalpy difference between 10 to 15 electron volt or below, means 15 below, two ionization enthalpy difference may be 15 below, there higher oxidation state is possible. Higher oxidation state is possible. Next case, if the two ionization enthalpy difference may be above 15 electron volt, sure, lower oxidation state is possible. Lower oxidation state is possible. Two ionization enthalpy difference is between 10 to 15, otherwise below 15. On that time, higher oxidation state we want to take. If the difference may be above 15, lower oxidation state we want to take. Do you get? Okay. Just to listen here, I will explain you how can we explain that one. Keep in your mind two ionization enthalpy difference between 10 to 15. Two differences may be 10 to 15. Otherwise, below that, higher is a stable oxidation state. It may be above 15. 20, 25 EV differences are there. Then lower oxidation state is possible. Listen. Here we were taken maybe one example. First, third and fourth ionization enthalpy I were chosen. Third, fourth only. Here, third, fourth. In these two cases only. third ionization enthalpy, otherwise fourth ionization enthalpy. Here third may be 25 eV, this one may be 30 eV. Then next, this is one element, first element A, then second may be here 30 eV, third ionization enthalpy 30 eV, this one may be 55 eV, this one taken as B. Here what is the stable oxidation state of A? First you check these two, any of the two we want to select, means nearest one only. If we choose on second, then consider 1 and 2, otherwise second and third. If we choose on fourth, third, fourth, otherwise fourth and fifth, that only one take. Here 25 and 30, what is the difference there? Only 5 eV are there. If the ionization enthalpy difference below 15, sure highest oxidation state is possible. Therefore in this one A equal to what? A 4 plus is the stable oxidation state. A 4 plus is the stable oxidation state. Look here, B 30 and 55, what is the difference there? 25 eV are difference there, more than 15. Therefore smaller one is, smaller one means what ionization enthalpy I chosen, their third and fourth. From third and fourth, what is the smaller one? Third is the smaller one. Therefore now here B converted to B3 plus is stable. Clear all of you? Okay, keep in your mind.